Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens curbside video from May the 31st to June the 6th. Curbside means you're ordering this stuff through the app, paying for it, driving to the store and picking it up, and that is lovingly known as your curbside pickup. It is the box on the left-hand side with the green check, what you're pressing. If you can't put something into your basket, it might be out of stock in your store as well. Those of you that prefer being in store, getting the register rewards and all that jazz, watch yesterday's video. I will link it at the very end and check it out. Lots of great little deals in there with register rewards specifically, if that is your speed. Okay, so let's hop right into it with deal number one. The first one, we need the 15 back when you spend 45 on P&G products. I think most of you have this one, so make sure you have it loaded. In store, I believe it's a 10 back when you spend 35, but if your register rewards never print, this is the way around it. And as you can see how it's showing, if you see that little message, you know you're grabbing the right item. Spend 45 on P&G items. Okay, so the first item we're grabbing for this cart is a 100 load Gain detergent for $15.99. We have a $3 digital that's attaching. We're also tossing into the cart 2 of the Herbal Essence mousses for $10. We have a 3 off of 2 coupon, and I think you get $3 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of these. It's either $3 or $2, so we'll see that in a quick second. But hey, it's better than nothing. And then the last couple items, I know a lot of you are Tide obsessed. We're grabbing one of these $12.99 pods with the 42 count. We have a $3 digital coupon attaching to that. And then the $12.99 liquid with another $3 digital attaching. Again, you don't have to get the exact cents that I'm showing you. If you want to grab something a little different, just make sure it says spend 45 to earn back 15. This is your gorgeous chorus line. We have 3 off for the Tide, the 3 off for the Gain, 3 off for the Tide Pods, and a 3 off of 2 for the Herbal Essence. Using the code WAG10, an additional $3.30 melting off. The overall total here is $51.97. Subtracting $3.30, you are at $48.67. So the spend 45 to earn back 15, you are right there. We have $12 in manufacturer's melting off. So without the tax there, you're paying $36.67 and getting back $17.51. So basically makes your whole cart $20, which is not a bad price point. And for the Herbal Essence, it's buy 2, get $2 of Walgreens cash, not 3. For the balance, use your debit card as you're using a spend booster. The next deal that we're doing is stacking these two, the 15 back when you spend 45 and a 10 back when you spend 40, earning 25 on a $45 basket, which is really smart. The Always Discreet line is an incontinence line, but if you use pads, they're just a higher quality pad in my humble opinion. I've used Poise and I think it's just as good. So for the Always Discreet, you can see we have a 3 off of 1 and a 7 off of 2. There's also high value manufacturers that are with these products. So I'm throwing into the cart 3 of these for $45. They're 2 for $30. And we have that 7 off of 2 and then a $3 off of 1. So I'm going with this product, and they are the 66 counters, which is quite a few per bag. So, I mean, this is definitely the way to go. To get the math to balance, this 2 equals 5 is also part of the spend 45 to earn back 15. And we have a $1 digital coupon to go with. So why not toss this one into the mix? And then just to show you the savings that we have here, $3 for the Always Discreet, $1 for the Bounty, a 7 off of 2 for the Discreet, and then using the code WAG10 at $3.95 melting off. So the total is $50.49, subtracting $3.95, $46.54. You're at the threshold for the spend 45 to earn back 15 and the spend 40 to earn back 10. $11 in manufacturers melting off. So that's basically $35, not including the tax, and you're getting your 25 back, making your basket of 3 bags of pads and some paper towel $10, which I think is a really, really smart deal. saying this for the 100th millionth time, as you're using those 2 boosters, for the balance, you have to pay with your debit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash or you will not get that $25 back. Okay, deal number 3. We're doing this again curbside. Okay, now we're going to look at deal number 3. We have to have our best friend loaded, which is earn 15 when you spend 45 on P&G items. We're going to be really pushing heavy on shave stuff. So 2 of these Gillette Foamies with the 3 off of 2, they're buy one, get one 50% off for $5.98. Staying on that lane with razors and that good stuff, we're also going to throw this friend in for $7.99, and we have a $3 digital that's also attaching, and hopefully you have the same coupons as I. And then we're going to throw in one of these Gillette men's for $7.99. We have a $4 coupon. Because this is 50% off, it's reducing down to $3.99. Manufacturer as well. 2 of the Head & Shoulders for $20.98. We have a 5 and a 3 as well. And it's part of the buy 2 get $3 back in Walgreens cash. And then 2 of these Herbal Essence mousses for $10 with 3 off 2. Buy 2 get $2 back in Walgreens cash. Just to show you our gorgeous chorus line, all of those manufacturers, there's so many of them, including WAG 10 shaving an additional $2.09 off. So if you can line up this deal exactly as said, it's completely worth it. The overall total for this basket is $48.94, $2.09 melting off. You're still at that $45 threshold for spend 45 to earn back 15. We have $20.99 in manufacturers melting off there. So you're going to pay $28.67 and get $20 in Walgreens cash. It basically makes this basket about $5 or $6 for everything, which is magic. Remember, because you're using that booster of spend 45 to earn back 10, for the balance you have to pay with your debit card. Do not use any Walgreens cash or you'll not earn any of this Walgreens cash back. Final deal that I have prepared for you involves no boosters, but involves a lot of hair products. We're going to grab 2 of these Herbal Essences mousses. There's also like other little like sprays and gels and stuff, but this is the cheapest. They're $5 a piece. So 2 of them is $10, and we have a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. $2 in Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of these. If you wanted to do this in Pantene, you'd have to pick because it's on the same promotion as well. The second product that we're grabbing is 2 of the Garnier Stylers. You can grab this or gel. So $5.99 for 2 of them. It's $11.98, and we have a 4 off a 2 coupon. And you get $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2 of them this week. So that's a little something, right? Just a lot of hairstylers. And I don't know if you're anything like me, but I really need to get some of these rocking and rolling in my stockpile. So just to show you the little codes here, we have Senior 20 taking $1.60 off, and along with a $3 off a 2 manufacturer for those Herbal Essence mousses, and a 4 off a 2 for the stylers. So that's a little something right there. And the overall total here is $21.98. $1.60 with Senior 20, and then a bit of tax, $7 in digitals melting off. So $14.60. If you want to use up to $10 of Walgreens cash, go for it and pay $4.60, and then you're getting back $6 in Walgreens cash. You know, it's just a little deal if your store never prints those register rewards and you just need a workaround and you really want to get some stylers going for you. This is definitely the deal to do. That's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you in the next one. Bye.